Hello, my name is Barry O'Connor. I'm an attorney that's licensed to practice in the state of California and also licensed in the federal court. I'm going to talk today about security deposits. Security deposits in California are defined under 1950.5 of the Civil Code. In general, a security deposit may not be more than 2 months' worth of rent. If your rent's $1,000, that means that you probably have to pay the first month's worth of rent, which is $1,000 to move in, and then you could be required to pay a $2,000 security deposit. The purpose of a security deposit is to restore the owner back to the same position that they were in prior to renting the home to you, minus ordinary wear and tear. Some of the things that are included in a security deposit or maybe deducted out of your security deposit are rent, damages, unpaid fees, and any damage that is beyond ordinary wear and tear. Stated within 1950.5, everything is predicated on damages beyond wear and tear. Now, normally a paint job in an apartment or a house is expected to last 3 years. If you've only been in a house for a year and it completely has to be repainted, it's going to be prorated and you're probably going to be charged for 2 years worth of paint in the apartment or the home. Carpets are normally rated to last 5 years. If it was new carpet in a home and you were only there a year, you're going to be charged about 80% of the value of the cost of replacing that carpet. Prior to moving out, a tenant is entitled to a move-out inspection. A move-out inspection should take place no later no sooner than 2 weeks before the move-out date. The purpose of this is to give the tenant a chance to correct minor repairs that they could do themselves prior to moving out. A security deposit must be accounted within 21 days of vacating a premise. At that time, the landlord should prepare a statement, and the statement should state how much the security deposit is, what's being deducted, and why. If there are any items that are being deducted that cost more than $125, copies of those bills should be included. The tenant has certain rights if a landlord does not account for his security deposit. They may be entitled to their full security deposit back, and there may be punitive damages. So it's very important that a security deposit accounting is done within 21 days of the tenant vacating the premises, and that security deposit accounting should be mailed to the new address if the owner has it. If the owner does not have it, it should be mailed to the last known address of the tenant, which would be the address that the tenant had occupied.